Ever wondered what the giant behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp uses to keep its massive, interconnected projects from collapsing into chaos? I mean, think about it. We're talking about a company that juggles billions of users, countless features, and a workforce that spans the globe. How do they even begin to manage it all? You've probably heard of Asana, right? That sleek, colorful project management tool that promises to bring order to the most disorganized teams. But does a titan like Meta, a company that practically invented its own digital universe, really need something as conventional as Asana? That's the question we're diving into today. Forget the standard intros. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're cutting straight to the chase because, frankly, the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. Let's rewind a bit. Meta, formerly Facebook, isn't just a social media company anymore. It's a sprawling tech empire venturing into VR, AI, and even the metaverse. This level of complexity requires tools that go beyond simple to-do lists and shared calendars. They need systems that can handle the sheer volume of data, the rapid pace of innovation, and the distributed nature of their teams. Now, Asana, at its core, is a project management platform designed to help teams organize, track, and manage their work. It offers features like task management, project timelines, workflow automation, and reporting. It's a powerful tool, no doubt. But is it powerful enough for Meta? The answer, as with most things in the tech world, is nuanced. Meta doesn't exclusively rely on Asana. They have their own internal tools, custom-built platforms, and a complex ecosystem of software designed to meet their specific needs. Imagine trying to integrate a tool like Asana into the intricate architecture of Meta's internal systems. It's like trying to fit a standard Lego brick into a custom-built, futuristic spaceship. Meta has developed its own internal collaboration tools, often tailored to their specific workflows and security requirements. These systems are designed to handle the scale and complexity of their projects, offering features that might not be available in off-the-shelf solutions like Asana. For example, Meta has extensive data analytics capabilities, crucial for tracking user behavior, performance metrics, and project progress. Their internal systems likely integrate these analytics directly into their project management workflows, providing real-time insights that Asana on its own might not be able to deliver. Furthermore, Meta prioritizes security. With billions of users' data at stake, they need to ensure that their internal systems are robust and secure. Using external tools can introduce potential vulnerabilities, and while Asana has strong security measures, Meta might prefer to maintain complete control over their data and infrastructure. However, that doesn't mean Asana is entirely absent from Meta's toolkit. It's important to understand that a company of Meta's size often utilizes a diverse range of tools for different teams and projects. While they might not use Asana for their core infrastructure or large-scale product development, it's possible that certain teams or departments within Meta use Asana for specific tasks or projects. Think about it. Meta has thousands of employees, spread across numerous departments, working on a wide range of projects. Marketing teams, for example, might find Asana useful for managing campaigns, content calendars, and cross-functional collaborations. Smaller, agile teams might use Asana for sprint planning and task tracking. In fact, it's highly probable that some teams use Asana for its simplicity and user-friendly interface. It's easy to set up, intuitive to use, and offers features that are beneficial for smaller, more focused projects. Imagine a team organizing a social media campaign or a marketing event. Asana's visual interface and task management features could be quite effective for these types of projects. Moreover, consider the integration capabilities of Asana. It integrates with a wide range of other tools, including Slack, Google Drive, and Salesforce. This flexibility could be valuable for teams within Meta who need to connect their project management workflows with other essential tools. It's also worth noting that Meta's acquisitions play a role in their tool usage. When Meta acquires a company, they inherit its existing systems and processes. Some of these companies might have been using Asana before the acquisition, and Meta might continue to support its usage within those teams. So, the answer isn't a simple yes or no. It's more of a "it depends." Meta primarily relies on its own internal tools for core project management, but they likely use Asana for specific teams and projects where its simplicity and flexibility are beneficial. Now, let's talk about the broader implications of this. Meta's approach to project management reflects a trend among large tech companies. They prioritize building custom solutions that align with their unique needs and workflows. This allows them to maintain control, optimize performance, and ensure security. However, this doesn't mean that off-the-shelf tools like Asana are irrelevant. They play a crucial role in empowering smaller teams and departments, providing them with the tools they need to collaborate effectively and manage their projects. The key takeaway here is that there's no one-size-fits-all solution to project management. Companies like Meta, with their vast resources and complex needs, often require custom-built systems. Smaller companies and teams, on the other hand, can benefit from the simplicity and flexibility of tools like Asana. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.